Hello everyone, I'm TKTK7 here today. Welcome to TKTK7 Gaming. I heard TKTK7 Gaming was a cool channel, so yeah, you should probably subscribe. I don't know what I'm saying. So, right now I'm playing. I don't know what I'm gonna play. Well, I have, oh, I don't want to do duels, please. Oh gosh. I guess I'll just play some games of TNT because those are fun. I don't know what to do. I've not actually done a gameplay video in a while. Which is mostly because I didn't think I would ever do a gameplay video again. But now here I am making this video because I wanted to make a game video again. This is some really good commentary by me. I should get like an Oscar. My microphone doesn't actually work. Well, it works. I mean it's like the setup I got going here. It's really terrible because I have to bend over my arm to get the mic. I'm gonna move into this game because I want you to actually be able to hear me better. You. How am I making these jumps? I still have 2 double jumps, so I have a chance. Okay, guys. He's not suspecting anything. Okay. Now. Oh gosh. Sorry, I have a cold. You know what? I'm doing this. No. I need to put it somewhere that will work. But it won't be too loud. How does this sound? If it's too loud, I'll just try to turn down the volume. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, it's pure death. So sorry if my voice sounds really off. So yeah, not entirely sure how I'll sound on them. Oh come on! I'm trying to have a conversation with the 2 viewers that actually watch this channel. Oh no, this is my corner. My corner only. Yes, I have claimed this land as mine. Hey, no! You're mean. You don't steal people's things like that, sir. Oh, I was so close. Okay, there's 4 people left. Yes. Top 5. Top 3. Aw. Oh, this is a new map. They actually updated this game. Help! I'm good at this. No one's in my way. All of these scrubs on the first floor. I'm on the 4th floor now because I'm good. Oh, no, I'm sad. Okay. This will probably be my last game before I play something else, like, I don't know. Anything else. So I'm just gonna run straight this way. If I go in a circle, no one will ever beat me. I just gotta walk like this. Cut off. He lives another day. He lives to see another day. Oh, not anymore. I had to do another double jump to like not fall to like the 15th floor. So yeah. Did someone please tell me my my body to like not be sick right now? Because I'm trying to record a video here. Which is why I'm not at school. No, I don't die today. There's 16 players left. 15. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Remember when I used to say something but I never did it? What's the only thing My goal is to unlock all the solo kits. Okay. I just wanted to open. Nope. Okay, I'm sad now. I have so many kids to choose from. And I'm choosing the worst ones. And this just goes to show how not, like, how barely playing a video game for, like, weeks does stuff to your performance level. Is there any sword? Anything? I don't... You know what? I'll kill people with this flint and steel. No one will ever see me coming. I have no idea what just happened. That guy is really good at this game. This map will only be considered good by me until it actually has actual water that you have to swim through. That'll just make this map actually better because you could swim to the top and then that wouldn't happen. The PvP would suck on this, but it would be okay, I guess. Sounds like it's starting to turn into me discussing stuff that no one cares about, so I need to find something that people will actually listen to. Like, for my 2 viewers. Please no. Yes, burn. Oh. This is gonna be one of my last games. Because I want this video. Never. You think I have money? Does it look like I have money? No, I don't have money. I always think people are trying to throw eggs at me, even though they aren't. Oh. What? What is this? Does he have a balloon? Okay. So this is gonna be my last. You know what? I'm gonna play this game really good. And then everyone's gonna be like, this video is good. And then I'm gonna get like billions of views on this one video for being good. Oh. Well, there goes him. People. Look at the guy. I got you down to 4 health and I only had an iron chest plate. Good job. Now this is gonna wrap up this bad video. I'm just saying it. Not the best video I've ever created. Go away. Leave me alone. I'm trying to do an outro. I think I'm safe. So, yeah. Bye, guys. You know what? Bye. This reminds me of what I used to do with my original gameplay videos, where I like say bye and then I pause for like 15, like 20, I don't know, like 30 seconds, and then continue and then say bye again. So yeah, guys, bye.